Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 IRQL not less or equal blue screen error. First method is type memory diagnostic in Windows search bar, click memory diagnostic. Click restart now and check for problems. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand disk drives. Right-click disk, click Properties. Click Policies tab. Make sure check Better Performance. Third method is open any browser, type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10 disk image. Click update now. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10 disk image. Click download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click next. Click Accept. Select Install Windows and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.